Welcome to this guide on how to get travel insurance online with NIB Travel Insurance. If you're unfamiliar with travel insurance or the process of purchasing it online, this video will show you a step-by-step overview of NIB's website and how easy it is to find and select the right policy. Let's dive right into the site. When you first land on the homepage, you'll see an option to start a quote. This is where you'll begin. NIB Travel Insurance offers a wide variety of plans, from basic coverage to more comprehensive options, ensuring that there's something suitable for every traveler. One of the major advantages of using NIB Travel Insurance is the ease of navigating the website. Everything is laid out clearly, making it simple to compare different plans based on coverage and cost. You can quickly input your travel details, choose the type of trip you're taking, and get an instant quote. While NIB offers excellent service, one thing to consider is that pricing may vary based on age and travel destination. This means it's always a good idea to compare your options before finalizing. However, NIB's reliability, clear policy terms, and fast online service make it a top choice for travelers. For those seeking a more specialized recommendation, I'd suggest checking out Nibtraveling, an equally reliable option with a wide range of flexible insurance plans. You can visit their site using the link below for more information on their offers. It's a smart alternative if you're looking for additional options or want to compare before making your final decision. Once you're satisfied with your choice on NIB, you can complete the purchase with just a few clicks. The payment process is straightforward, and you'll receive your policy via email instantly. It's really that simple. That's how easy it is to get travel insurance online using NIB Travel Insurance. Don't forget to check out Nibtraveling as well for more great travel insurance solutions at the link in the description. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, give it a like, and share it with anyone planning their next trip.